Braun IPL Skin Eye Expert PL7387 Review. Smart at-home laser hair removal solution. If you're tired of constantly shaving or making regular trips to the salon for waxing, the Braun IPL Skin Eye Expert PL7387 might be just what you need. This advanced at-home laser hair removal device uses intense pulse IPL technology to reduce hair growth permanently and safely, all from the comfort of your home. Suitable for both men and women, this IPL device is designed with smart features that adapt to your skin tone, making hair removal easy, fast, and effective. One of the standout features of the Braun IPL PL7387 is its smart IPL technology powered by SensoAdapt. This intelligent sensor reads your skin tone continuously and automatically adjusts the light intensity to suit different parts of your body. It ensures safe treatment with professional-level results, without the guesswork. Whether you have lighter or darker skin areas, the device customizes the treatment for optimal performance and safety. The Braun Eye Expert isn't just smart, it's also practical and efficient. It comes with 4 specially designed heads for targeted treatment areas: face, underarms, bikini line, and body. Each precision head is shaped to comfortably fit the curves of different body parts, ensuring better contact with the skin and more accurate light delivery. This makes the entire hair removal process more effective and comfortable. Another major benefit is the included free companion app. The Braun IPL app helps you keep track of your treatment schedule, sends reminders for upcoming sessions, and offers useful tips tailored to your skin and hair type. Whether you're a beginner or someone familiar with IPL devices, the app adds an extra layer of convenience to your routine. It's like having a personal beauty guide on your phone. The speed and ease of use also make this device a top choice. With up to 125 flashes per minute, the Braun IPL PL7387 can complete full body treatments in as little as 15 minutes. You can treat both legs in under 10 minutes, which is perfect for people with busy schedules. Most users start seeing visible hair reduction within 4 to 12 weeks of consistent weekly use. The product package is also quite thoughtful. Along with the IPL device, you receive a high-quality Venus razor to shave the treatment area before sessions. Shaving is necessary because it allows the IPL light to reach the hair roots effectively. You also get a stylish vanity case, making it easy to store the device and accessories or take them with you while traveling. This makes it a great gifting option, especially during holidays or special occasions. Using the Braun IPL Skin Eye Expert is straightforward. First, shave the area you plan to treat. Then, choose the appropriate precision head, plug in the device, and place it on your skin. The smart sensor will detect your skin tone and adjust the light level automatically. You'll feel a warm sensation as the light pulses, which is totally normal. Repeat the treatment weekly for the first 4 to 12 weeks, then as needed for touch-ups. Over time, hair becomes finer, thinner, and grows back much slower. Safety is a top priority with this device. It's clinically tested and dermatologist recommended. The SensoAdapt technology ensures that the device never uses too much or too little light for your skin tone. However, as with all IPL devices, it's not suitable for very dark skin tones or very light hair such as white, gray, red, or blonde. It's important to read the user guide and do a patch test before starting full treatment. There are several reasons why customers love this device. Many report noticeable hair reduction in just a few weeks. Others appreciate how painless and easy it is to use. Some have even bought it as a gift for their partners or friends. Real user reviews on Amazon highlight the smooth skin, time saved, and the satisfaction of skipping salon visits. With a premium look, high functionality, and smart features, it's easy to see why the Braun IPL Skin Eye Expert PL7387 is a top-rated product. This device is ideal for women looking to treat legs, underarms, arms, and bikini lines, as well as for men who want to reduce chest or back hair. It's also a wonderful gift choice for birthdays, holidays, or self-care days. If you're someone who values convenience, long-lasting results, and quality grooming tools, the Braun IPL PL7387 should be at the top of your list. The best part: you can buy the Braun IPL Skin Eye Expert PL7387 directly on Amazon. Comes with full warranty, fast delivery, and everything you need in one package. Whether you're buying it for yourself or as a thoughtful gift, this device delivers impressive results for smoother skin. Backend index pointing right, click here to buy Braun IPL PL7387 on Amazon. In summary, the Braun IPL Skin Eye Expert PL7387 is a smart investment for anyone who wants an effective, safe, and convenient hair removal solution. It's powerful, fast, and designed with real users in mind. With intelligent features, a free app, multiple precision heads, and bonus accessories like the Venus razor and Vanity case, this device checks all the boxes. If you're ready to ditch razors and waxing for good, the Braun IPL PL7387 is the perfect companion on your journey to hair-free, smooth skin.